Weld it, run it, go wild with the ESAB Ruffian ES 150G.
Hi, I'm Chris Sherm here with ESAB, and we're going to take a first look at the new Ruffian ES 150G engine drive. We've designed this engine drive for you to use around the job site, workshops, farm, household, ranches, all over the place, for you to create a mobile work site that can tackle any job that you've got to face. Let's review what we've provided in the box, as well as some of the optional accessories.
Ruffian ships mounted on a wooden pallet and boxed. Here's what comes in the box. First, we have the Ruffian manual. You can download a copy using the QR code on the back. There is also a Kohler engine manual, as well as a Kohler safety guide. Next, we have the items that make Ruffian a portable unit. There are 4 handle pieces, 2 industrial-grade wheels with an axle, and a bag with hardware. ESAB offers several Ruffian accessories that you can purchase separately. First is a lifting eye, which adds convenience when loading and unloading, or for moving or storing Ruffian with a crane. Ruffian comes with 50mm dense receptacles. If you want to use a Tweco-style electrode holder or ground clamp, you'll need a Tweco to dense adapter. If you don't already have an electrode holder and ground clamp, ESAB offers those as well. And finally, we recommend this protective cover, which is designed to fit the Ruffian while also allowing fast access underneath. ESAB recommends storing Ruffian inside, but this cover will help protect your machine from the elements. Weld it, run it, go wild with the ESAB Ruffian ES 150G.